Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Dean Callan Show. Today we're going to be lighting stuff on fire.
I can do a little explosion.
Explosions.
Oh, I can literally just go from that to...
So today I was chatting about an old school cocktail that I used to do in a bar about 20 years ago or something like that, which makes me feel really old. But it's one of my favorite cocktails from Jerry Thomas's 1862 Bartender's Guide. Pretty sure that's where I remember it from. Could be wrong. To make this cocktail, you take a plate. Everyday dinner plate. Just an everyday dinner plate. Nothing special going on here. I love that you laugh, Marco. We're making this show just to entertain ourselves. You put an unspecified amount of sugar on the plate. Unspecified amount of sugar. Not all the sugar will dissolve, because sugar really doesn't dissolve in booze, but this is the recipe. And then you take an unspecified amount of brandy, in this case, Pierre Ferrand, 45% ABV. Just stick a bit of that on there, maybe a bit more. Feeling cold out here in the cabin in the wintertime. And then, just like Jerry Thomas did in 1862, take whatever lighter you've got lying around. Get a bit of heat going on that. And you can't see that right now. We could probably turn out some of these lights.
Dude, you're gonna fucking smash the glass.
Mmm, delicious. We could probably turn out some of these lights. That's well lit on fire. Now, the next thing to do, you take a glass and you put some peaches in the glass. Couple of peaches, more peaches because I like fresh peach. I usually used to use dry peach on this, but you know, fresh peaches are great. And one of those. Now, I remember burning myself loads of times doing this, but the idea is you pick the plate up and then dump it into the glass. You know, Jerry Thomas was a showman and it makes for a hell of a show. And there you have burnt brandy and peach cocktail. Mmm, delicious burnt brandy and peach cocktail. People are going to be like, how much are those guys drinking?